So we've got our cards on there. Now we need something super important called a button, so that's going to help us have the user interact with the screen. So you just scroll down here in your object browser and drag a button here. And let's make the title say play. So, got our image views. Now if we were to run right now, we'll run, you can see it on the simulator. Forgot to say this, Xcode's free. If you have a Mac, you can download it, and you don't need a developer license to. My goodness. So, scale. Gotta mess with this sometimes because, there we go, your device will be way too big. So this is what it looks like. If you notice, the image views are empty, so that's why there's nothing here, you can't see anything. So let's go ahead and fix that. So this is pretty new in Xcode 6 and iOS 8, is the way you add images. You have an images XC assets folder, and what it is, so if you look at this app icon, there's different sizes for all the icons. So if I were to make a new image set and call it, let's rename it up here, ACE. We'll use this for the ACE card. And then, so I've got my, got a whole bunch of images. Where are they at? So I got all these card images, 2 through 10, ace, jack, king, queen. I got the back of the cards too. Okay. So we'll start with ace, and since I have it labeled as ace, ace at 2x, and ace at 3x, Xcode is smart enough to know where to put those. And if you look up here, I've got a 1x, 2x, 3x. So if I just take these three and drop them in here, it knows where to put them, and then I've got. The reason that you have that 1x, 2x, 3x is because of the different resolutions of devices. So that way it knows where to put the images on depending on which device the user is using. And then since I actually have these all already named and the way I want them and have the at 2x, 3x, I can just go ahead and select a whole bunch of them, drag and drop into here, and it just makes the image set for me. So see, it did them all there for me. And then let's get the rest of them. I didn't get the face cards. Cool. So all the images are in here. And so it's super easy to just go back to your storyboard. And if you click on this image view, and you see at this top right here the image that you want to set, so I can drop down and see this list. And click back, and there it is. And then same thing for this image, I'll type it in. Works perfectly. So now if I run, you'll see just a plain, you'll see everything with the cards here. And then you can see this play button works, but we haven't hooked it up yet. But I kind of think this view's ugly, so let's do a little bit of cleanup on it. So